Hello guys, welcome to a world where ideas come to life. To withdraw from Treasure NFT, follow these general steps. Note that the exact process may vary depending on the platform or marketplace you're using. 1. Log in. Access your account on the Treasure NFT platform or marketplace. 2. Navigate to your wallet. Go to the wallet or account section where your NFTs are stored. 3. Select the NFT. Choose the NFT you wish to withdraw. 4th. Initiate withdrawal. Look for a withdraw or transfer option. This might be located in the NFT's details or in a drop-down menu. 5. Confirm destination. Provide the destination address, e.g., your external wallet address, where you want to send the NFT. 6. Confirm transaction. Approve the transaction. You may need to pay a gas fee depending on the blockchain network. 7. Wait for confirmation. The withdrawal process may take some time to complete. Once confirmed, the NFT will be transferred to your specified wallet. If you encounter any issues, refer to the platform's support or documentation for specific guidance. Share and subscribe for more content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.